Hi everybody, my name is Vish. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about work from home jobs, motivation video and informative videos. If you're looking for work from home jobs, you're in the right place. Do subscribe my channel. Keep supporting my videos, guys. Yes, today I'm back with one more work from home job update. This company name is called Bright Gems. Before I begin, do subscribe my channel. Keep supporting my videos, guys. My videos will be very short and sweet. Yes, this company is hiring for few remote positions. If you are from BTech background, CS, BCA, MCA, this is the great opportunity. You have to teach kids US, UK and other foreign kids coding skills. This is great opportunity. They have few other roles also: English tutor, science tutor, robotics. This is wonderful opportunity, guys, and you can work US UK shift timings, and very interesting, you can earn up to 40 to 50,000. In this particular video, I'm gonna show all the steps step by step. Don't skip this video. Let's get started.
Guys, the first step is try to go Google, type Bright Gems Careers Work from Home. Open the official website, select remote only. You will see lots of openings. If you are from BTech, CS, BCA, MCA, you can easily apply for these jobs. Most of the jobs you have to teach kids coding skills, basic coding skills. Just if you spend 5 to 10 minutes of your time, you can easily apply for this role, guys. Please go through all the requirements. Here they have US and UK shift. Very good opportunity. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Just click apply. Enter all your basic details: first name, last name, email, phone number, previous employer details. Please add all the details, don't leave blank. Just follow this video. That's it, guys. It's very simple. Click on submit. That's it. And guys, I will be back with the next work from home job update very soon. Do subscribe my channel. Keep supporting my videos, guys. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.